Welcome to another video, guys. We are here at Savers on Mondays as always because it's always 50% off here, and Jasmine already found something.
Because all Mama wants is a silent night.
That's so cute, and because it's 50% off, it's only $2.50. Jasmine also really likes this one right here. Holliers.
So for like the holidays, I like to switch up my little coffee rack.
Yeah, she has a coffee rack that currently is Halloween. So anyways, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, join the family, drop a like on today's video because we always love coming to the stores, do some shopping, see what we can find, especially on 50% off days like today. We did find this here, guys. It's a Disney Parks frame, but it's $12.99. I don't really feel like spending $6.50 on this, so I'm gonna leave it.
I don't know what this is, but I want it.
What she said before I turned the camera on was, babe, I'll give you some head.
Oh my, babe, this is super cute. Can we wash this?
I don't know. Someone handmade that.
That is so cute. Oh, look at this. So cute. Are you serious?
What is it?
I don't know. It's like a little decoration, but it's like cookies and bacon.
Okay. $3.
What do you think? Yeah or no?
It's up to you.
It's up to you. You're the money maker.
Say it again.
You're the money maker.
As always, I find signs that just speak to Jasmine's heart. This one says, I could quit chocolate, but I'm not a quitter.
I want that. Can you
That's actually really funny for your coffee bar.
Yeah.
It's $2. Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's so you, dude.
That is.
My birthday suit doesn't fit anymore.
How funny this is.
That's actually nice. Turn it. It looks like a mustache. It's $3.50. Oh no, home decor, $25. Oh yeah, Hobby Lobby.
It just has a little scarf right here.
Oh, dude. If we like get black and then just paint it, I don't know. Where are you gonna put that? We have so many welcome signs.
Have so many welcome
Put it back.
Signs. Welcome sign whore.
I'm just gonna cut it where it says I'm a whore.
What is that?
I don't know, but I really like it. Like it's really interesting.
Yeah, but it doesn't fit our home.
It could fit our room.
No, I don't.
We could just use it as a comb. Okay, you like this one? It says Go Diva.
It's just Godiva.
Let's go Diva.
It's a chocolate store. Oh, look at this one.
Let's get this one for Luis.
Does this ring make me like oh.
Oh, you get it? Because you're drinking it with your finger out.
Duh. That's cute.
It's just kind of big though, so you can't hang
You
it.
know what? It's all like chipped.
I found my favorite.
Ooh, that's cool. This one is super cute and cool. I love that.
Check this out, guys. DIY to the max right here. Big old giant bottle of wine that they've made into a lamp. Look at what I found. You want to do that thing for Ellie's room to hold her dresses?
Yeah, and good thing because
Oh my god.
I want this.
Guys, for $5, look at this. It's like a super
It's heavy.
heavy duty hamper. $5?
Yeah.
For our bathroom?
Oh yeah.
That's actually really nice. This is not stained, guys. It's just dirty.
Don't touch it.
Well, I don't know. Oh, it's heavy. Should we get it or not?
Yeah.
All right, so we are now at Goodwill. We're gonna be looking at the home stuff here. They already got a bunch of Christmas stuff out. That's my homie right there. Look at this. This is, what is this? Sanny Steak. I think this is from like a buffet, how they have a bunch of stuff in there, but that's cool. Like, I feel like you could turn this into a shelf or something. What is this, Jasmine? Isn't this for like a buffet or something? Like they have all their utensils or cups in there?
Oh, like that, like the cup?
Yeah, isn't that cool though?
Yeah.
That's really cool. They got some really cool couches over here, guys. What else do they got? Not gonna lie, it's a nice dark place to take a nap. I have done that before when I worked here, so I will not judge. Did you see the 3 little pigs? That's funny. Do you remember when this was all over, Jasmine? Dude, no. If you guys watch our vlogs, she cheated on me with the guy that worked at Chuck E. Cheese.
According to him.
According to my dream. This is what fueled it. Yeah, your mom did that, dude. Can you believe it?
Oh, wow. The cheese is like haunted.
Huh?
The cheese is haunted.
I said I was chucking his cheese.
Okay, think about that. Think about that long and hard. No pun intended.
Can you give me this? This is beautiful.
That is pretty. How cool would this be if you had a cabin?
Oh, yeah.
Right? Isn't that so cool? You got salt shakers, you got cups, you got cookie jars or like sugar jars. Like, these are so cool. I love those. They're all from $5.50 to $3.50 each. They even got some plates back there. They really don't have stuff here, dude. They never do, huh?
It's like they go in spurts. Sometimes Goodwill's really good to us, and sometimes Savers is really good to us. I think today it's Savers.
I think this is pretty cool. Little planter. I like it. Oh yeah, look at somebody did make this. Disney Memories. Keep calm and have a cupcake. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and walk into the furniture, see if we can find anything here. These are 50 bucks each. Not really a huge fan of anything. Bless you. Let's see what we got over here. Got an organ. Oh, look at this. I wonder what, is this like a, I don't know what that's for. Huh. Nothing really popping. Bunch of 90s furniture in here. That's pretty nice for a kid's room. I like that. 25 bucks. Not bad. It looks solid too. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's heavy, dude. I liked it a lot.
I found some more mugs for my coffee bar, but I also found this one.
Look at Zay. Phoenix Suns cups.
And then I found this. I thought these would be so cute, like on my actual coffee bar during Christmas time. Maybe we could put.
Oh, that one's cool. Those are so cool. They say let's hit the slopes. S'mores $5 each.
And then just this one is like.
That one's okay. How much are those two?
These are $149.
$150. Wow.
That one's whatever.
Yeah, those two are really cool. I like them. This would be cool in my office. Today I will. This week I will. This month I will. This year I will.
That's really
And next
cool.
year.
Really
Put your
like
goals
that.
on there, right?
Yeah, that's really cool.
Jasmine, did you know that Zumba has their own shoe?
Really?
Look, they're actually super light. Look at, try them on. Those look like what Justin Bieber used to wear back in the day. We're here at a place called Bealls, and just looking around. We're just gonna look for clearance here to see what we can find. Got a lot of girl socks, $4. Got these bags, $2.99. Transformers, $3.74. We're gonna make our way around the store to see what other stuff we can find on clearance and just do a shop with me clearance video. First day of school, that's cute, $3.74. Got a bunch of backpacks here. Look at Jordan lunchbox, $14.99, $5 off. Oh, it's like a little backpack. That's kind of cool. Tons of women's clothes on clearance here, here, over there. You just see yellow signs everywhere. Look at this dress, $5.99. This one right here, 10 bucks, and it has like a little necklace included. This one's really cute, $8.99. Wow, another one, $8.99. So much cute stuff. We're now in the home stuff, and look at this, guys. $7.49 for this really cool farmer's market sign made out of wood. This welcome sign right here. I don't know if it's on clearance or not. Oh yeah, it is. $15, and that's a big sign. That's really cool. This is a spring sign, $9.74. We got this big piece right here for $9. And when we turn around, we got a ton of clearance right here. We got some straws, $3.74, $3.74. They're all $3.74. What's this? Tie wraps, $2.24. I think this is this cool little tray, nice summer tray, $9.74. We come up here, this stuff's broken. This is $9.74. These right here are $29. I've always thought these are pretty cool. This right here is only $5.24. What else do we got? This is cool, right? Yeah. $5.24 as well. That'd look nice in a bathroom. Got some plates for 90 cents. Some soap dispensers, $7.49. Oh, this is nice. Only $10 for that. Wow. The small things in life. It's kind of cool. Let's see how much it is. $9.74. $9.74 for that basket. Look at this right here, guys. $3.74. We got some really pretty lamps. These things are regularly 30 bucks. Now $22.49. Not bad. It's like a see-through. It's nice. I like it. Look at these vases. These are really interesting. $5.24. I like those. Now we got some comforters and different things like that. It's $22. Not bad. A box. Oh, that's normal price. Whoa. Oh, it's a pet. It's for pets. $5.99 for that. Oh, look at this. This is nice. $22, $8 off. We got more bathroom stuff. Not bad. I haven't been in one of these stores in so long. I really like these signs a lot. I love the style of them. It's really pretty. They're not on clearance. Let's see how much they are. Oh wow, $14.99. That's it. That's a big sign. They got a whole spot just for clearance shoes here. Look at this. 13 bucks for those. Yeah, these are all still kind of pricey. They're all $13, $14. These are pretty. $13.49. Let's see if they have any men's stuff. They got some cleats here. $14.99 for those Adidas cleats. Not too bad. $9 for these. Let's see if they have any kid shoes for the Ellie. No, they're all like $10. So it's clearance, but it's just not that great. Wow, they have tons of clearance earrings. Look at this, $239, $299. Look at these guys, so many, and they're all under $3 for the most part. Some really pretty options here. These are really cool. I like these a lot. $2.99. How much are these? Oh, regular price. Look at this necklace right here, $2.40. We made it over to the cosmetics. $2.99 for all these makeups. I don't know what it is. $9.74 for this. It's a cosmetics case. It's pretty cool. Got hand washes and lotions, all $2.99 down here. It's crazy. Everywhere I go, I see hand sanitizer on clearance now. Belts on clearance, $5.99. Look at this purse, $22.49. It's a nice purse. Look at this one right here. $41.99 for this Calvin Klein purse. I'm assuming it's a Calvin Klein purse, and it comes with this as well. More makeup, $5.99, $3.74. Pretty good deals. I haven't been here in a very long time. Reminds me of like a Ross. So thank you all so much for making it this far in the video. This was part 1 of our shopping trip to Savers. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Part 2 consists of us buying massive amounts of clothes. And I figured I would just split them up into 2 different categories, since some of you probably don't want to see us clothes shopping and other people don't want to see us shopping for house items. But if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out our vlogging channel. The link is in the description. We post there a ton. There are a lot of fun videos. And yeah, I hope you guys follow us along our journey, and we will see you guys tomorrow.